All right, hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm going to show you real quick how to get into these Kyber lobbies. So real quick, I'm going to show you just a nice little screenshot. You can pause it here. Goes by step by step. Step 1, go to kyber.gg. Step 2, get in their Discord. Step 3, download your mods. Step 4, how to launch it. So step 1 is you're going to go to Kyber and you're going to make sure that you get the Kyber client. And you're going to get in their Discord. All of that information is going to be on their webpage. So you just go to kyber.gg. You download right here the Kyber client, and then when you go to FAQ tab and you scroll down, go to the bottom, you can see Kyber isn't working, and you hover over Discord server, click on that, and you'll get into the Discord server. So by now you should have the Kyber client downloaded. You unzip it, put it in a folder that you want it in, just know where you're going to run it from. Then you go into their Discord server, and you're going to go ahead and get their current version of Frosty they're using, which is in the announcements tab. And then right here, kyber.gg static, they have a Frosty Mods Manager zip file uploaded here. So make sure you got the right Frosty. So you've done step 1, you've done step 2, you're in the Discord. You can find a lot of FAQ type questions in the Discord if you run into issues. So it's very important that you're in the Discord. Now you're going to go to the Frosty Mods and download the mods you need. So I recommend going to the server first. So find a server that you want to join. For example, go back here, I'm gonna go click on servers, I'm gonna refresh it, and I'm just gonna say, okay, what do we got here? This one here. So here's a server, it's called Palpatini. It's not my US server, but it does have one single file I need, Darcidius. So this file is actually in a package file with a bunch of heroes and villains. So you go to Nexus and you're gonna find this file, you're gonna download it, and then you're going to go back over to your Frosty, make sure it's launched, and you're going to have maybe a bunch of files in there, but the only one for this server is this one right here. That's it. So you don't want to, you can't load all this other stuff. You can't load in your individual mods. You can only have that one single file. So then you go back to the Kyber page, the website, and you say, yes, do you want to join this server? You say, yes. But I can tell you right now, this is where some people have an error, because what they forget to do is actually launch the Kyber client. Because I do not have it open right now, and if you're having an error, that's probably what happened. So I'll launch the Kyber client. So now I see it's running. I'll actually click on the configure. I'll go find that Palpatini one again. I'll say, yes, I have it. It says success, start your game. So my origin is already running in the background, so I don't have to worry about that. So when I launch the game, it should launch. So now I go back to Frosty. I have that one mod in there, and I click launch. And now the game is gonna launch through this little battle dash. If this doesn't show up, you got an error. Maybe you didn't run as administrator or something. I have most of my stuff set up to run as administrator by default, but that could be one simple answer. Right click, run as administrator if you don't get this far. But if you have gotten this far, then the game should be launching, and as long as the server is still active and you have the correct mod applied, it should bring you into the server. And so right now I am in the server, and here we go. All right, have fun. These lobbies are sweet.